Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're delving into a topic that affects all of us. Saving money. Saving money is vital for building an emergency fund, paying down debt, or simply living more comfortably. However, it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you 10 simple ways to save money each month. These are realistic, easy-to-implement suggestions that you can apply right away. So let's get started. 1. Make a budget and stick to it. This may sound simple, but you'd be amazed how many individuals don't budget their money. A budget provides a clear picture of your income, expenses, and how much you can save. Begin by noting all of your sources of income, and then track your spending. Set aside set amounts for bills, groceries, and recreation. The goal here is to stick with it. If you find yourself constantly overspending, it's time to rethink your budget and potentially cut back on specific expenses. 2. Automate your savings. The second tip is to automate your savings. This is one of the simplest ways to ensure that you save money consistently. Set up automatic monthly transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Whether it's $50, $100, or more, you're ensuring that your savings increase without ever realizing it. What is the best part? You won't be tempted to spend the money because it's already out of sight. 3. Cut back on subscriptions. We all enjoy subscriptions, from Netflix to gym memberships and meal delivery services. But how many of these subscriptions do you really use? Go over your bank statements and look for recurring costs. If you don't use a service frequently, cancel it. You can always join up again if you truly need it. Cutting away just a few memberships can save you hundreds of dollars per year. 4. Use cashback apps and coupons. Who doesn't enjoy free money? Cashback programs such as Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta offer rewards on daily purchases. Meanwhile, digital coupons and discount codes can help you save money on groceries, clothing, and other essential items. Before you shop online or in-store, look for potential discounts. Over time, these tiny saves accumulate. 5. Cook at home. Eating out is convenient, but it can quickly get pricey. The average person spends hundreds of dollars a month on takeout and restaurant meals. Instead, attempt to cook at home. It is not only less expensive, but also more nutritious. Plan your meals ahead of time, buy bulk items, and make use of leftovers. Cutting back on eating out can easily save you hundreds of dollars per month. 6. Buy in bulk and shop smartly. Buying in bulk is another option to save money. Paper towels, canned products, and non-perishable items are frequently less expensive when purchased in bulk. When you buy wisely and prepare ahead, you can avoid paying a premium for last-minute, small-quantity items. Also, watch for bargains and stock up on products you use frequently. Just be sure you don't buy more than you need, otherwise it will go to waste. 7. Avoid impulsive purchases. We've all been there. You see something you like and purchase it on a whim. However, impulse purchases may pile up rapidly. The 24-hour rule is an effective strategy to combat this. Wait 24 hours before making a non-essential purchase. After the waiting period, you may discover that you no longer need or want the item. This simple habit can help you avoid unneeded expenses. 8. Lower utility bills. Utility costs can be a significant expense, but there are ways to reduce them. Begin by turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging items that aren't in use, and using energy-efficient light bulbs. You may also save money on heating and cooling by lowering your thermostat in the winter and raising it in the summer. Small modifications in your energy consumption might lead to big savings over time. 9. Take public transportation or carpool. If you reside in a city with decent public transportation, consider taking it instead of driving everywhere. Public transportation is often less expensive than owning, maintaining, and fueling an automobile. If public transportation is not an option, consider carpooling with coworkers or friends. You'll save money on petrol and have less wear and tear on your vehicle. Even better, walking or biking short distances is free and beneficial to your health. 10. Set clear savings goals. Finally, establish explicit savings targets. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund, having a clear aim will help you save more. break your goals down into doable portions. For example, if you want to save $1,000 over the next 5 months, that's only $200 per month. Setting realistic goals keeps you engaged and makes saving more enjoyable. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 simple methods to save money each month. None of these suggestions are tough, but taken collectively, they can have a significant impact on your financial health. Remember that making major changes does not happen overnight. Start modest and persistent, and you'll see your savings rise over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial insights and advice. Please share your own money-saving strategies in the comments section below, and let's all work together to save a little more each month. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.